meant to tell you. I was down on Georgia Street.
You take one out, I'll
Showed
take
up
the other.
with about 5 civs, all in handcuffs.
Let me guess. Fireflies?
Yep. They lined them up against the wall and bang, bang, bang. Executed all of them. Yeah, I hear it's like that all over the city. They're cracking down on them hard.
I got a cousin.
Seriously?
Yeah. Idiot thinks he's gonna save the world. Hope he's all right.
There's another one. Over there. Let's search the area.
Hey, we consolidated the crates in the south warehouse. Supplies are locked up.
Good. Do another once over and then head out. It's getting close to curfew.
What about Robert? Who's he holding up with tonight? The guy's too paranoid to stay here by himself.
Fuck if I know. We'll check in with the others and come up with something.
Okay.
I don't see anything.
Nice and quiet. We should have brought more people.
They just slow us down.
Yeah, you're right. Come on, the docks are this way. Let's do this. There's our boy. That cocky son of a bitch.
Let's go wrap this up.
Let's be smart about this. There's a lot of them.
For a long time.
Yeah, well, contacts in the north, contacts in the south. I don't know about that there south, so.
Fucking router. Dark router is good for it.
If he is, then what? I'm telling you, he's always trying to pull good exit strategy.
You're going outside the walls.
Let the other smugglers do it. What do you think's gonna happen here once supplies run out?
I'd still take my chances in here. All right, watch yourself.